Here's a big breaking news coming in right here on India Today. DGCI nod for vaccine for children. DGCI nod for Covaxin for emergency use. DGCI nod to Covaxin for children aged above 12 years. A big move in a step towards vaccinating kids in India. Now you have the DGCI, the drug regulator in India, giving a nod to Covaxin for vaccine for children, those aged above the age of 12. Covaxin finally gets the emergency approvals. Remember, there has been a lot of hesitation for parents to allow their children out to school. It's been close to 2 years, while adults largely have been vaccinated. In India, kids are yet to be vaccinated on a large scale. In fact, this could be one of the first for vaccine for kids in India. We're looking at the drug regulatory panel, who's now given a nod to vaccine for children. The Covaxin by Bharat Biotech gets the approval, a nod for vaccinating children above the age of 12. Huge development in the vaccination front. India trying to achieve 100% vaccine rate across the country, among adults, of course, and now even kids getting a big boost with the Covaxin finally getting an emergency approval nod from the DGCI. Let me cut across to Sneha Murdani, joining us with more information on that. But before that, here's the big news that India Today is currently tracking. DGCI finally gives a nod to Covaxin to vaccinate children, kids above the age of 12. Let me cut across to Milind Sharma, who's bringing us more information on this. Milind, do take us through exactly the approvals that's been given to Covaxin for vaccinating children above the age of 12. This is a big breakthrough. Take us through how soon can we expect it.
Navila, essentially, it's the same vaccine that's been given to adults as well. And Bharat Biotech's Covaxin was conducting trials on children as little as 2 years. But the current approval for the EUA has come for the vaccine that has been tried on children from 12 years and above. So 12 years to 18 years is the current age group where the Drug Controller General of India has approved the vaccine for. Furthermore, we remember that Covaxin's application was pending approval for over a month now because it was held back by the Drug Controller General. But today that approval has come forward, and it's a big news to have vaccines for children in a country where we're looking at Omicron cases and surges as well. And certainly this is going to be good because we only had Zydus' vaccine. Now we also have Bharat Biotech's Covaxin. And let me remind you, it will be the same vaccine that was given to adults as well. So the same vaccine has been tried on children, and the Drug Controller General's approval on Christmas Day comes as a big Christmas miracle for the country.
While many